Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking It Up. I'm Hanna and Heidi,
And I'm Heidi Bender.
and today we're going to be cooking Butterbeer Cookies with Butterscotch Frosting. Let's go!
Yo!
The ingredients include salted butter, all-purpose flour, dark brown sugar, cream cheese, baking powder, baking soda, granulated sugar, powdered sugar, heavy cream, 2 large eggs, vanilla extract, and butterscotch chips. We're going to start by making the butterscotch sauce. To do that, combine salted butter, dark brown sugar, and heavy cream in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Boil for 5 minutes, then let cool. Now we can make the cookie dough. Start by browning your butter, which you can do by cutting a stick of butter into a few smaller pieces and putting them in a light-colored pan so that you can properly see when the butter begins to brown. Set the stove to medium and stir the butter as it melts, then begins foaming. After 5 to 8 minutes, you should be able to see the butter turn a golden brown. Make sure to immediately remove from the pan because the butter can very easily burn. Next, whisk in melted butterscotch chips. Whisk in the sugars, eggs, and vanilla next. Stir in the dark brown sugar, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Scrape the sides of the bowl well to make sure everything is incorporated. Then, roll the dough into balls that are 60 grams in size. Roll them in granulated sugar. They can be baked off right away or chilled for 2 days or frozen for up to 2 months. Bake the cookies at 365 degrees Fahrenheit. They'll be a bit puffy when done, but the edges should appear and feel just set. Gently press down on the tops to flatten them out for frosting later. While you wait, you can make the frosting. Cream together brown butter, cream cheese, some of the butterscotch sauce from earlier, powdered sugar, and vanilla with a stand mixer. You should end up with a creamy butterscotch frosting. Finally, once the cookies are done baking, you can decorate. For Red Hawk Media, this is Hanna and Heidi Bender.